A fierce political storm is brewing in Zimbabwe after Vice President Chiwenga reportedly issued strong warnings against allies of President Mnangagwa who are pushing controversial constitutional amendments. Chiwenga strikes fear. VP's warning throws power extension plans into chaos. Don't even subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina about truth. Unposta VP Constantino Chiwenga Anumurkono Branyara Chiti. Sources say Chiwenga's tough stance is sent shockwaves through the ruling camp, triggering anxiety among key loyalists and significantly slowing efforts to secure an extension that would keep the 83-year-old president in office for an additional 2 years. The proposed changes have already sparked heated debate, with the critics arguing that altering constitutional provisions would undermine democratic principles and fuel political tensions. Insiders claim Mnangagwa's supporters are now scrambling to reassess their strategy amid fears of growing resistance from within the establishment itself. Political observers say the latest developments expose deepening divisions at the highest level of power, raising fresh questions about Zimbabwe's succession battle and the future direction of the country's leadership. The unfolding showdown is rapidly becoming one of the most closely watched political dramas in the nation. Doma developments are pangwa ine VP Constantino Chiwenga issuing ma warnings pangwa ine ajistrike back na komanda va kupusha for term extension. Penango me section notu za fundu any more kudi pamsolo bichitu ichi. So now subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.